So I had a user comment about the golden ratio and how plastic surgeons use this ratio, especially when bone structure can't really be changed. So the very first thing is bone structure actually can be changed. There's a lot of procedures that can be done from the forehead to the center of the face or the maxilla down to the jaw. And you can actually change bone structure. It does usually take more of a specialist in the field of head and neck surgery, but this is something that can be done. But there are also other changes that can be done in terms of the soft tissues of the face. So we're talking about skin, we're talking about fat, we're talking about moving some structures just a little bit to improve the overall ratios of the face. So the golden ratio is 1 to 1.618, and this is an ancient rule that people thought defined what beauty was in the face. So for instance, the ratio between the length of the face should be 1.618 times the width of the face, and then the distance between the top of your nose to the middle of your lip should be 1.618 times from the middle of the lip down to your chin. So this is what they would consider the perfect proportions for anyone's face, and there's other measurements that can be done as well. But honestly, this doesn't necessarily mean that someone who doesn't have these proportions is not considered beautiful. The other thing is, with plastic surgery, you can affect the bone or you can affect the soft tissue. So for instance, you can always add a chin implant, you can shave down the chin, you can make your nose longer or shorter, and you can also add fat, remove fat, add implants, and ultimately change the bone. So there are different ways to get closer to this proportion. Does it mean that you have to have these numbers to be more beautiful? No, it's just a general guideline, but overall in terms of the face, proportion is very important as well as symmetry.